As someone who knows nothing about building PCs, here are the parts I picked out for my custom build. I went with the Fantex Eclipse G360A because I think it was the cheapest one on Amazon that came in all white. The CPU I went with was the Ryzen, I'm not sure. 75800. This is the power supply that PC Part Picker said would work. I chose this very aesthetically pleasing RAM from Corsair. I got 32 gigs. I wanted this AIO, but it was kind of expensive, so I opted for the Deep Cool CPU cooler and their pack of 3 fans. I chose this motherboard because I know nothing about motherboards, and PC Part Picker once again just said it would work, and who am I to question them? Those are the parts I picked for my PC, and once it's built, I will finally start streaming on Twitch again.